Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is a first for us. This Hummer is pretty darn cool. I actually like it a lot. I like the way it looks. This is the pickup truck version, and we are going to be changing the color from this current factory. It's like a grayish blue. I don't know what it's called, so if you know, please leave in the comments down below. And we went back and forth with the customer, and he decided to wrap it in OnePPF satin black. So this is what it's going to be getting. We're going to be leaving a few of these pieces in gloss black. These specifically are actually metallic, so it's like a carbon flash that you would see on your C8 Corvettes. This is all going to stay gloss black as well, but it is getting wrapped, well, it currently is wrapped in paint protection film to protect all of those areas. And yeah, so we already had done a bunch of the work. Now we're getting to the fun part, which is actually changing the color of the vehicle. So stick around, stay until the very end to get a good look of what a Hummer EV 3X specifically looks like wrapped in satin black. So, what do you think of the color? I think that looks really, really good, especially the contrast between the gloss black and the satin. Specifically satin, a lot of people get confused between satin and matte. What satin does, as you can see, you can probably tell in the camera right here, where it actually highlights the body lines much, much better. You have your lighter lines, you have your dark places here where it's, where there's a little bit of a shadow. It makes it pop that much more. So once we're done with this whole entire vehicle, this bulge that you see right here in that front fender is gonna pop significantly more. A lot of the vehicle is disassembled. Since this is our first Hummer, we have learned that there is a significant amount of disassembly that needs to happen. We did not remove the fender flare pieces here. We tried to, but from my understanding is pulling them off aggressively, we're gonna end up with a ton of broken clips. We'll have to replace them. So what we're doing instead is we are able to space it out a little bit, and we're gonna be able to feed that film in deep enough, which is gonna make it in the future, if you ever come in to replace the film or go back to your factory original color, it's gonna make it a lot easier. Now, what we're gonna do as well is, once we're finished with wrapping the whole entire vehicle, we are gonna add a ceramic coating to it. Specifically, it's gonna be XPEL satin. So that's gonna make the cleaning part of this experience that much better and easier. So it will change the sheen of it a little bit. It'll tone it down some as well. Somebody in the comments is gonna say something stupid like, you should put vinyl and ceramic coat it and do all this. Those people do not understand or have ever had this done to their vehicles. So yes, you can wrap a vehicle and add ceramic coating. Ceramic coating, again, makes your experience that much better of maintaining your vehicle. It's equivalent to, let's say, you already have clear coat on your vehicle that protects your base coat from fading out and getting oxidized. You're applying ceramic coating on top to just make the care and maintenance of it a lot easier. So with that being said, we're gonna hop on over to the other side. We had just completed this, rolled through these panels pretty quickly. Let's just keep rolling. That is filthy. Look at all that dirt. We got the cowl off here, so that gives us a little bit more exposure to tuck the film. That makes it a lot easier to roll all of these edges and corners. That's essentially everything that we have left on this one is gonna be that, the two pieces here. What we're ending up doing here is doing an inlay. We're gonna trim it. That'll hide that edge very, very nicely. The inlay is gonna be tucked in behind the headlight here. It'll look pretty, and it's not gonna your eye is not gonna be drawn to it. This is the tailgate kit itself as well. So we'll throw that on. Gonna throw some of the badges back on it as well. And one thing I wanted to show you guys, if you're doing one of these, the back badges have pins in them. So if you're ever removing these, remember that. You don't have to make a template. We spent a bunch of time making a whole template layout for it, only to find out that they have pins in them. So that'll make it a lot easier. And then we just have a couple of minor things left, like wrapping the door handles, wrapping the mirrors as well. It's gonna be a little bit of a tricky part because of the square shape that it is, but well, seams. So the film will have to butt up here and overlap. That's not a big concern. We'll hide it right on the body line. It'll look nice and pretty. And that's pretty much it. Mike had reassembled everything already. It's looking good. Can't wait to show you guys when this vehicle is done. It's supposed to be beautiful weather on Friday. So as soon as we're done with it, we'll get you all of the glamour shots and let us know. If you have a Hummer EV and you want us to wrap it, we would be more than happy to wrap another one. Really enjoyed working this one. But for now, let's go ahead, throw on the big hood. All right, guys, we have the Hummer all finished up. Wrapped in OnePPF satin perfect black. Look at it, let me know what you think. I think it came out phenomenal. It looks beautiful, it looks gorgeous, amazing. I think it suits the car much vehicle much better. It makes it look like a tank, it makes it look aggressive. That's all I gotta say. Again, if you're looking for this kind of service, let us know. We would be happy to help you guys out. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, have a great weekend, bye-bye.